Education is one of the most valuable pursuits someone can gain. A good education helps students transcend socioeconomic statuses. With universities becoming increasingly expensive, some students are reevaluating the worth of college, making their education in high school ever so more important. However, this current pandemic has taken away a quality education from many children. Children have been left alone, swallowed whole in a virtual education that leaves them isolated from their teachers and peers. The greatest part of a student's education in schools is their interactions with their peers. Students raise each other up and help each other learn. In a physical school, students always ask their students or fellow peers questions when they are in trouble. Without this crucial 5-minute conversation with a peer or teacher, students are left spending hours trying to debug their work or scour online for specific topics they want. Instead of being alone, we want students with their peers to take charge of their own education. Introducing DigiClass, a platform for students to connect with each other and create an optimal, positive learning environment that facilitates learning. With DigiClass, teachers can create digital classrooms for students to join. Each DigiClass class is equipped with 3 pages for students. They consist of a video page where students can call each other and form study groups or offer support and mentorship with their peers. A discussion page where students can ask simple questions like test dates, discuss problems and questions with each other, and even set up calls and study groups for the video page. And finally, there's a question page where students can post questions they encounter while working. One of the biggest benefits of DigiClass is that we have all of the necessary components in the application to connect students right on our platform. Instead of forcing students to use distracting apps like Instagram to video call or Snapchat to talk with other students, they can use DigiClass, which is an application dedicated to learning. In addition, the question page is dedicated to students and teachers. Questions can be answered by students' peers. Questions and answers that other students find helpful can be upvoted and will rise to the top so other students can find them more easily. In addition, teachers will be able to verify students' answers. This saves time for the teacher as they do not need to reply to every question. In addition, in this page, teachers can gauge how well their students are understanding topics. Depending on which questions are being upvoted or the frequency of questions on a specific topic, the teacher may decide to do another lesson on this topic to dispel common questions. Finally, in the video page, students can not only call, but they can also collaborate on the same worksheet. We have integrated this page with a virtual whiteboard. Students can upload an image of the problem they're working on and their work so far. By clicking Upload Image to Tableau, we automatically create a virtual whiteboard for you with this picture used in the background so students can immediately share their room with a peer mentor and others so that they can receive live help with minimal friction. Now, the student and a peer mentor can interactively finish the problem in a virtual whiteboard. While the peer mentor shows the solution to a problem, the student can see it done live and ask questions to why the peer mentor is doing certain steps. This is especially helpful in classes like math, where each problem requires many steps, and not understanding why or how one of those steps works will lead to confusion. We built DigiClass with many frameworks in order to create an optimal user experience. We use Vue and Quasar to use as our framework in order to create an app that is both reactive and compatible with many modern day applications. In addition, we use Capacitor to create a mobile application so students would have an easier ease of use and able to work and learn from anywhere, and also teachers can too. For the server, we decided to host it on Node.js and we decided to host it on Heroku. Finally, for our database, we use a combination of 3 databases in order to increase security as well as better improve the user experience. We use Redis because of its in-memory cache database and capabilities that allow a quicker time between the creating rooms and chat messages as well as posting. We also use PostgreSQL to store more long-term things that is not needed inside the in-memory cache of a client, such as accounts. And finally, we use Amazon S3 to create a secure place where users can upload their images that will not be leaked to the outside world. We hope you guys enjoy this application demo. We hope to expand our application to users and students around the world because of the fact that coronavirus has affected this virtual education landscape. We think that we will have a sizable part of the market because of the fact that we are so unique and combine so many different tools.